What if I told you that the banana stem most people throw away after harvesting bananas could one day become the cool, comfortable t-shirt or pair of trousers you're wearing? Every year, millions of banana plants are cut down once the fruit has been harvested. For decades, these thick stems were treated as agricultural waste. But today, hidden inside those stems is one of nature's strongest and most breathable natural fibers. Using advanced engineering, high-speed automation, and modern textile technology, factories are transforming this forgotten material into premium clothing that's soft, lightweight, and naturally cooling. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced banana fiber factories to uncover every step of this incredible transformation. The journey begins immediately after the bananas are harvested. Instead of burning or discarding the thick stems, workers carefully collect them and transport them to the processing facility. Every stem is inspected before entering production, while damaged, rotten, or low-quality stems are removed to maintain consistent product quality. Only the healthiest stems continue to the next stage inside the factory. Massive automated extraction machines grip each banana stem and begin peeling away its outer layers. Powerful rotating blades separate the long natural fibers hidden deep inside the plant. Within seconds, what once looked like useless agricultural waste is transformed into bundles of golden fibers that will eventually become premium textiles. These fibers are then washed several times using powerful streams of clean water to remove sap, dirt, dust, and any remaining plant residue. Once cleaned, the fibers move into carefully controlled drying systems where temperature and humidity are monitored to preserve their natural strength. Industrial combing machines then align every strand into smooth, uniform bundles while automated quality control systems remove damaged or short fibers. Only the finest fibers continue forward, ensuring every finished garment meets strict manufacturing standards. The refined fibers now enter high-speed spinning machines where thousands of precision rollers stretch, twist, and strengthen them into continuous yarn. Throughout this process, intelligent computer systems constantly monitor yarn thickness, tension, and strength in real time, automatically correcting even the smallest variation before it becomes a defect. This level of precision ensures every spool of yarn is perfectly consistent. Next, the yarn enters enormous automated weaving machines where thousands of threads interlace with incredible speed and precision. Gradually, lightweight bamboo-like fabric begins to appear. Thanks to the unique structure of banana fiber, the fabric allows better airflow than many synthetic materials, making it naturally breathable and comfortable in warm weather. This is one of the reasons banana fiber clothing is becoming increasingly popular around the world. The fabric then enters the finishing department, where it undergoes a series of specialized treatments designed to improve softness, flexibility, and durability while preserving its natural cooling properties. Eco-friendly finishing processes help the fabric absorb moisture efficiently, dry quickly, and remain cool against the skin, creating clothing that is comfortable enough for everyday wear. After finishing, computer-controlled cutting machines slice multiple layers of fabric with remarkable precision before robotic sewing systems assemble the individual pieces into stylish t-shirts and trousers. Throughout production, advanced inspection cameras carefully examine every seam, stitch, measurement, and fabric surface to ensure flawless quality. If even the smallest defect is detected, the affected garment is automatically removed while production continues without interruption. Finally, every completed garment passes through one last quality inspection where specialists verify softness, durability, stitching quality, appearance, and overall performance. Once approved, the clothing is neatly folded, carefully packaged, and prepared for shipment to customers around the world. It's truly remarkable to think that something once considered worthless farm waste can be transformed into premium cooling clothing worn by millions of people. Through sustainable harvesting, advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, and strict quality control, ordinary banana stems become comfortable t-shirts and trousers that are both environmentally friendly and incredibly practical. The next time you wear a lightweight shirt on a hot summer day, remember that its story may have started in a simple banana field. Thanks for watching Ultra Factory TV. If you enjoy discovering how the world's most fascinating products are made, subscribe for more factory documentaries that take you behind the scenes of modern manufacturing.